Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an expense report in Expensify. As you can see, I have multiple reports right here that I've created, and all you actually need to do is come to the bottom left, click on this plus icon, and then click on create report. And if you want to create a report for a specific workspace, you can click here as well. And then all you need to do is come in the top right, click on add expense, click on create expense, and there's three different ways to go about this. You can manually type in your amount, you can even change the currency as you can see, or you could scan your documents, right, your receipts, and you can also select distance, where it would go ahead and ask you to select the start and stop. In all locations, it will calculate the distance, and depending on the mileage you had set, it would calculate your expense. Now in this case, let's say 25,000. Click on next, that's the amount. Scroll down, merchant, let's say it's smart computers. Okay, computers, there we go. Click on save. Let's scroll down, choose a category. Let's say it was for the home office or equipment, right? I'll pick home office. And you can select the date right here. If it was not this date, you can change that. If you want to add a tag, let's say it was for a specific project, you can choose your tag. And you can name your expense report as well. And then just click on create this expense. And there we go, we have this report. And if you have any documents to submit, you can do that. But once you're happy, you just click on submit. Or you can go ahead and add more to this, okay? More expenses. So come here, click on add expense. You keep adding more expenses. And finally, you just click on submit. And there you go, expense report. And it will actually show up here as well. And that is how you create an expense report in Expensify.